Once you finalized your time cards in SwipeClock, we can import directly into the Express Payroll software. That dashboard, click Run Payroll, and then Start Payroll. In the software, you just want to make sure that your period end and start dates match your SwipeClock. Make sure the import button is clicked, and you can start your payroll. When the import is complete, it'll bring you right into the payroll grid, and it'll show you what was entered in from SwipeClock. You can make any adjustments needed here as well. We're going to go ahead and process. And then you can go into payroll details to edit individual checks, add earnings or deductions if you need to. Or if you're finished, let's go to the payroll totals. I'm going to bring you to the step 3 complete payroll screen. And this is where we want to verify our control totals, number of hours, number of checks. Down here is your payroll bank requirement for the payroll. And as always, for accuracy purposes, you want to download the payroll register and verify that your input matches the output. Okay, here's the payroll journal. And it's pre-processing, which means it hasn't been submitted yet. So once you are happy with your payroll, you have a couple of options. You can process the payroll with notes, or be contacted before processing the payroll. Okay. We're just going to go ahead and submit. And as always, you always want to make sure you get this fireworks display here, and it's been successfully submitted, and you are all set.